What's up, everyone? Sean here from Crypto on Cause Investing to give you your top crypto headlines, but let's jump right in. First headline, cryptos are bouncing back. Bitcoin is on the way to 36,000. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies jumped Wednesday, rebounding from a sell-off this week amid regulatory pressure on industry giant Binance and returning to a bullish streak that has defined trading for much of the year. The price of Bitcoin has risen 5% over the past 24 hours to 28,400, a level reached last week for the first time since June 2022. So I definitely thought crypto was on its way back down. Why I definitely don't think that we're anywhere near a bull market. It's good to see that even with that negative news from Binance, a potential another lawsuit coming against Coinbase, it's really good to see that crypto is kind of overcoming that and moving up. And in spite of traditional markets suffering, wars going on, crypto over these past few weeks to a month have really been outperforming everything and going up. So hopefully we are kind of in that starting stage where we'll start to see crypto kind of detach from everything else and kind of move on its own, which everyone that's been in crypto now for years, that's kind of what we're waiting for. And I can't wait for the day that that happens. Next headline. New Texas Senate bill seeks to slash Bitcoin mining incentives. Texas-based Bitcoin mining companies may soon be without the financial incentives that have let the industry gain a strong competitive advantage in the Lone Star State. Introduced earlier this month, Senate Bill 1751 seeks to protect the state's electric grid during peak loads, with one proposed measure being the utility scale. A key provision of the bill is that it would restrict Bitcoin mining companies from participating in a state-run demand response program. This program rewards miners for giving back to the power back to the grid when demanded threats to overwhelm the system, unless the anticipated demand for electricity is less than 10% of the total load required by loads in the program. Excuse me, getting a little distracted, baby crying. But, okay, yeah, anytime I see a bill that talks about slashing Bitcoin mining, outlawing Bitcoin mining, I know there's even been talk about the U.S. government banning mining in the U.S., which if something like that happens, it would be absolutely devastating to the market and something that we definitely do not want to see, because I don't even want to know what would happen to the crypto market if something like that went down. But next headline. South Korea, U.S. seeking extradition of crypto entrepreneur Daequan. South Korea and the U.S. are seeking the extradition of Daequan, an international fugitive accused of a multi-billion-dollar fraud, and another suspect arrested last week. Daequan, a South Korean national, is a cryptocurrency entrepreneur and former CEO of South Korea-based Terraform Labs behind Terra USD. So we all remember when Terra USD crashed. It was absolutely devastating to the market. Everything went down. Millions and millions of dollars were lost by people. Another millions and millions and millions of dollars were taken out of crypto for people getting nervous and scared that their money is going to get lost with something like that. So it's good to see people that are doing things like this, people that are scamming. We see it in DeFi every single day for the last, 2 years, that people are just scamming, and there never seems to be any consequences. So it's good to see law enforcement starting to go after some of these people, because hopefully that'll disincentivize them to actually do that, and we can kind of make the whole space a lot safer and a lot more fun to operate in. Next headline. SafeMoon LP exploited for $8.9 million. SafeMoon tokens remain safe. Now, I don't believe the tokens remain safe. Yes. Are the tokens in your wallet? Yes, they are. But if there's no money in the LP and they can't recover that money, then those tokens have no value. So was this an exploit in the contract? Was this a rug pull based on SafeMoon's history? I think that it's possible it could be a rug. There's so much stuff if you follow the blockchain, from real estate to cars to elaborate purchases, that come straight from SafeMoon's LP. So it's just really hard to believe that this was just an exploit and not SafeMoon just pulling the rug. So that's it for today's headlines. Until next time, trade safe.